Welcome to another Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? In Tagalog, inaanyayahan ko po kayong muli sa ating pag-aaral ng wikang Tagalog. In English, welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. In Tagalog, ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author, writer of 24 books, and my 25th book is coming soon, back to back with Learn English Easily, step by step. So my first book, excuse me please, I'm excited. My first book is Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And my new book coming up is Learn English Easily, Step by Step, coming soon in all bookstores. And on the right is an English Tagalog version I entitled Cries Like Mom and Dad. In Tagalog, Maka Diyos Cristo na Tatay at Nanay, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MSCD. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. And welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And I would like to give love, light, and honor to our Creator within, to my mom and dad, to my beloved mom and dad, my brothers and sisters and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart so that you could be updated in all my videos and we could grow together. And you might notice the little board, the ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher. That's a gift from my student here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And he is a valedictorian, and she is a Filipina living here in New York City, was born in New York. I love my students. They all give me gifts. And let's continue with our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today we are going to discuss by the way, this shiny pen, or this very shiny pen, is a gift from my youngest sister in Canada when I vacation there. So today, by this time, you know how to pronounce Tagalog. Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable ga. So you pronounce this because Tagalog. Tagalog. Panghalip. Panghalip. That is pronoun in English. First syllable pang, second syllable ha, third syllable lip. Panghalip. So the first and the third has the accent. Panghalip. Panghalip. That's pronoun. And we're going to discuss today kaibahan. Kaibahan. That's in English difference. First syllable ka, second syllable i, third syllable ba, fourth syllable han. Kaibahan. The fourth syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this as because kaibahan. Kaibahan, and that's difference. And we're going to differentiate ako. That means I or me. Ako. First syllable a, second syllable ko. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because ako. Ako. That is I or me. Ko. That means mine. possessive case. Example, halimbawa, ako ay guro. I am a teacher. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Let's review. Tagalog panghalip pronoun. Kaibahan. Difference of ako, I, me. First syllable A, second syllable ko, ako. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this or because ako, I or me. Ko. So what's the difference? Or kaibahan? Ko is mine, it's possessive case. Example, ako ay guro. I am a teacher. Hindi ko alam. Ko, I, in English, I don't know. So that's the difference between ako or ko. They are both pronouns. Tagalog panghalip. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, and all my 24 and coming soon with God's help 25th books are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and my Speak Tagalog is available at outskirtspress.com and also at Amazon and all bookstores globally, and at my two websites. I welcome you to visit my two websites. You just type it in your browser, juanitagutierrez.com, and my other website is juanitagutierrezbscdmscd.com. Thank you all for watching. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Magkita uli po tayo. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. In English, thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. I love you all so very much. Enjoy your days always. See you once again. Thank you all so very much. See you soon.